What's the price of artificial grass? The term artificial grass might still strike fear in many. In the past, fake grass has been synonymous with lurid greens, spiky strands, and when warm, the smell of hot plastic. Thankfully, things have come along since then, and manufacturers have now created artificial grass which looks nearly as good as the real thing. Artificial grass can be a great low maintenance option for those wanting the look of a grass lawn without any of the fuss of seeding, watering, and weeding. Easy to install and incredibly effective, artificial lawns are a remedy for the time conscious gardener who doesn't necessarily have the time to care for a living lawn. Depending on the type of artificial grass you choose, your costs will be higher or lower. Budget artificial grass can cost as little as £10 to £15 per square metre. Medium quality artificial grass costs between £15 and £25, while premium artificial grass will cost between £25 and £45. What affects the cost of artificial grass? The garden size, the garden shape, your choice of artificial grass, the type of underlay, if you choose any accessories. How can I save money on artificial grass? Comparing quotes is a great way to potentially reduce costs. Household Quotes can help you get quotes from multiple artificial grass fitters near you. Unlike some other home renovations, laying artificial turf is something you can do yourself, even if you're not too experienced with DIY. Most manufacturers have instructions on their website to outline the equipment you'll need, as well as best practice processes to get it looking right. How do I find and hire someone to lay artificial grass? Finding the right artificial grass fitter can be challenging. At Household Quotes, we can connect you to artificial grass fitters in your area. If fitting artificial grass isn't something you feel comfortable with, seeking recommendations from family, friends, and neighbours is a great way of finding reputable tradesmen who can complete the job for you. Ensuring the professional is the right fit. If you're hiring a professional to lay your artificial turf for you, there are a few essential things you should find out before you settle on hiring them. Firstly, obtaining a written quote is essential. Within this quote, finding out whether or not rubbish removal is included is important, so you're not left with a pile of old turf and soil to get rid of by yourself once the job is done. With written quotes, you can see what's included and what isn't, so if any problems happen during the job, you can always refer back to the quote to see what was agreed.